Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn how to change the country of your YouTube channel. It's not the country of your AdSense account, it's the country of your YouTube channel. So let me show you what does that mean. So for that, all you have to do is go to YouTube. Make sure to go to youtube.com, and for example, if we go to your channel, and here there is no country involved, so I haven't written any country in here, so there is no country down here, but probably you're going to see a country down here, like whatever the country we choose. So it depends on us. So in order to choose or change your country, all you have to do is click on the right upper corner and go to YouTube Studio. So YouTube Studio is the new settings that has been applied by 2020. So in here, go to the settings. As you reach out to the settings, you go to channel. And in here, you'll see an option called select the country of your residence. So it is not the country where your Google AdSense account, I'm clearing out. So this is just for YouTube. So whatever you're going to select, wherever you are going to belong, just click that country and you're good to go. For example, going for Singapore and keywords, whatever you write, Singapore. So that will help in searches in Singapore. So that's it. You have saved it, and we go back and let's see if we have corrected this. We go to YouTube, and then we're gonna click on your upper right corner, go to your channel, and in here we go to about, and you see a country. So your location is now Singapore. So this is how you can if you want to change it, you can do it with the same manner. Just go to settings and again click on channel, change the country. So it's very easy, very simple. Choose whatever country you want, and enjoy your life. And nobody want to know where do you belong. So that way, if you're showing United States and you're living outside United States, so that way people think you're from US. So that will help in growing your own channel. So if you think this video really helped you, please make sure to leave a comment and leave a subscribe button. So we'll see you on the video. Keep visiting Tigers Schooling.